What up, guys? This is Pastor Canayo again. We're coming up with another tutorial in Python. So we're going to be learning today splitting a string. Okay, why do we need to do this? So this is going to be a little project about how you can count uh, a number of words, in a paragraph, in a line. We're going to be learning that. So we're going to be giving this variable name. We're going to do text. Let's um, do triple quotes. Okay, and we're going to get some text. Let's see, new window. Where see it? Let's see it right here. So right here we are going to text Iquitos. We'll look for the some text from Iquitos Wikipedia. Iquitos is in Peru, by the way. So we're going to get this part right here. Okay, and we are going to paste it right inside. Okay, so with triple quotes, what you can do is you can use multiple lines, but with triple, yeah, you can use multiple lines and triple quotes, but it will be one big string, right? So let's see that. Um, okay, let's let's print it. Let's print that, and let's just do text. See, let's execute that or run it. Okay, that's what we have right here. Cool. Now we want to know how many words are in this text, right? So we're going to use len parentheses. And let's run it. So it gave us 2025 and 25. That's not words. This is giving us the how many characters, how many letters. 2025. Now, if we want to know exactly like how many words are going to be in this text, and this big string, so what we have to do is use split. And parentheses. This should give us exactly how many words are on this text. So there is total of 320 words, right? So you gotta use a split for that. So that's it. It was just a very short tutorial. Hopefully this helped you in your journey. Yeah, don't forget, use triple quotes for this type of strings. All right, sounds good. Okay, have a good night. Okay, bye bye.